Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at PrimeXBT and the newly launched COV token. Before we get started, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Plus, if you have a moment, go check out my personal channel, Spencer Taring, which is linked down below and in the top right corner right now. PrimeXBT is an award-winning Bitcoin-based margin trading platform that offers access to over 50 assets, including crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, etc., Forex, commodities like metals, oil and gas, and indices such as S&P 500, DAX, NASDAQ, and much, much more, all from a single account. As seen over the past few months, there has been plenty of opportunities to profit from trading. You can use your Bitcoin as margin collateral to trade all available assets. This platform is a must-have solution for those wishing to expand their portfolios beyond cryptocurrency trading, and I'm going to take you through this platform to show you how to take advantage of its features. PrimeXBT offers a range of products and features not seen on other cryptocurrency platforms, such as copy trading through the covesting module and access to all available markets regardless of which currency you use to fund your account. It offers high leverage, going to 100 to 1 on cryptocurrency assets and as high as 1,000 to 1 for traditional markets such as Forex, indices, and commodities. More importantly, PrimeXBT respects users' privacy and has strong controls in place for data protection. Add to that, there is no KYC, and the risk of exposing your personal data is very low. The platform has some solid partnerships in place, including DevExperts, which is a proven trading software developer, covesting, which is a DLT licensed services provider, and Bitfuries, who deal with AML checks on Bitcoin transactions. Let's have a closer look at the account section and the trading platform itself. You can use multiple personal wallets and deposit various currencies such as USDT, ETH, USDC for safekeeping or trading purposes. You get detailed reports on all your transactions and trading activity in the reports section. Follow covesting strategies, explore your portfolio, and open your own strategy. There's an address whitelisting feature here. This offers added security so that even if an account gets compromised, the funds are protected as withdrawals can only be executed to previously whitelisted addresses. This is the 4-level referral system that allows users to build an income-generating network and profit not only from direct referrals, but also from the referrals of the referrals up to 4 levels deep. As you can see, a huge variety of trading instruments are available here. You have the SP 500, Euro, USD, and plenty of other currencies as well. Also oil, gold, silver, European indices, and much, much more. A diversified strategy can hedge your risk. Apart from Bitcoin and altcoins, exposure to indices, metals, and other commodities reduces your risk exposure. So I suggest that you explore these portfolio hedging strategies. You can open multiple trading accounts and use additional currencies, including stablecoins such as USDC, USDT, and PNL settlements. PrimeXBT operates differently from most other trading platforms in that it runs on STP rather than P2P. STP stands for straight-through processing. This means that instead of matching users internally or with the market-making algorithm, PrimeXBT sends all orders out to its liquidity providers. This gives users more liquidity and less slippage compared to other platforms. For example, placing an order on a crude oil contract sends it automatically to our liquidity partners, including large brokerages and banks, for a match. Once the market triggers the order, it gets executed on your account. This is advantageous because it allows users to access international markets with deep liquidity. The same goes for cryptocurrencies. Multiple exchanges are connected as feed and liquidity providers to PrimeXBT. Orders are matched internally as well as with external liquidity providers. Independence from internal matching guarantees that users will always have the necessary liquidity to execute orders with minimal spread. So let's place an order. You can do it in different ways. You can either right-click on the chart or right-click on the instrument from the watch list and choose buy or sell. Here you can choose a type of order. Most of you are already familiar with market, stop, and limit orders, so I won't go into detail on that. Additionally, there are OCO orders available on the platform. OCO stands for one cancels the other, is an order type that allows you to place 2 orders. When one executes, the other gets cancelled automatically. This is often used by professional traders to trade on the price breakout from the range. It's useful when you're unsure of the break direction, but expect a significant price change. For convenience, an order window shows margin impact, giving information on the amount of equity available to trade with. Remember, it's not advisable to use more than 50% of your available margin, otherwise you risk getting margin called or liquidated. Another important thing to mention is leverage and how it works on PrimeXBT. Other margin exchanges typically require you to set the leverage level between 1 to 100, but on PrimeXBT, the interface is much easier. Here you control leverage by simply adjusting the position size. For example, if you have 1 BTC on your account, this allows you to open a 100 BTC position at 100 to 1 leverage. By opening this trade, utilize the maximum possible margin of 100%. In such cases, it's very likely you will get a margin call or liquidated if the price goes against your trade. Whereas opening a trade for 20 BTC, only 20% of the available margin is used. This gives more buffer to open additional trades or simply leaving a lot of room for the price to move. It's always recommended to have more than 50% of margin available to minimize liquidation risk, especially on highly volatile markets. PrimeXBT offers low fees. Some exchanges offer 0.075 for takers, while allowing rebates for makers. But PrimeXBT is an STP broker and pays for the execution at the liquidity provider. This means they cannot offer market makers rebates. Then again, trading fees are highly competitive at 0.05% on the cryptocurrencies and even cheaper on other markets. PrimeXBT constantly introduces new features and tools almost every quarter. A few months ago, they introduced the Turbo platform. This allows users to bet on the price action of multiple assets within very short timeframes. You can earn up to 90% by predicting how the price will change in the next 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 5 minutes. Every asset has its own payout ratio and contract durations. There's a free 1 Bitcoin demo account so users can practice trading without risking real funds. The platform provides a leaderboard with current most profitable traders on PrimeXBT Turbo. Please note that this product involves a high risk of capital loss. If your prediction is correct, you do profit. However, if your prediction is wrong, you will lose the invested amount. So I recommend trying this feature in the demo account first and building up smaller amounts on the real account until you get familiar with the system. This module is provided by Covesting, a fully licensed DLT services provider. Covesting was one of the first to receive a DLT license in Gibraltar, along with Huobi, eToro, and CEX. Covesting allows traders to set up and manage trading strategies. It shows a pool of traders' assets visible to the public and can be copied by others. This provides an opportunity for both experienced, successful traders and followers to boost each other's profit potential. After the platform upgrade, you can now create a strategy or follow traders using USDC, USDT, and other currencies. An important thing to mention is the platform's reliability and support. PrimeXBT has a strong support team with 24/7 live chat for an instant response, so there's no need to email and wait hours or days to get a reply. Another thing is how PrimeXBT resolves any potential outage, downtime, or other problems. In the past, when other issues have come up, PrimeXBT has always taken the responsibility to compensate users. You can check the Twitter history on that. Things can happen as there are lots of moving parts to operate a trading platform, including reliance on third-party services outside of the company's control. The main thing is, does the platform solve users' disputes fairly? We see from the social media accounts that PrimeXBT looks after its customers. PrimeXBT is different from most other crypto exchanges. It provides different execution in its STP liquidity providers model versus P2P trading that most exchanges offer. It also has a wide range of products and multiple markets under one roof. Overall, it's a competent and reliable platform that innovates with new products and strives to give customers a good deal. It's worth checking out, especially if you're bored with traditional cryptocurrency trading. Finally, that brings me on to PrimeXBT's new feature, covesting yield accounts. Covesting yield accounts will allow users to generate passive income through staking on cryptocurrency held in the user's PrimeXBT account. Initially, this will include USDC and USDT, but plans are in place to offer BTC and ETH, as well as other large caps in the future. Staking is a low-risk method of increasing your holdings. By staking through the covesting yield account, your holdings will grow over time and with little effort on your part. A significant benefit of the covesting yield account is it happens through the trusted PrimeXBT platform. That way, there's no need to dive deep on staking technicalities or do it through multiple different wallets and websites. It costs as little as $100 to get started, and interest is added on a daily basis. The COV token is the center of the covesting module at PrimeXBT. The firm recently announced some updates to bring better usability and improved user experience. Just take a look at the released blog. A summary of updates include increased profit share, reduced strategy entry fee, increased individual following limits, and up to 30% trading fee discount. All of this is available by holding the COV token. I believe the updates and added features will likely cause a surge in demand for the token, so not only will you see the yield, but also a potential increase in capital value. A rundown of the COV tokenomics shows a low circulating supply of just 20 million, making it much scarcer than other projects. Now is an excellent opportunity to get in considering its profit potential. It's a finished working product. PrimeXBT is a regulated and licensed platform, and best of all, it has a low market cap of just under 14 million, meaning the potential to grow is massive. In line with the staking features on covesting yield accounts mentioned before, holding the COV token gives users increased staking profits. Developers have been talking about this for a few months, but they finally delivered on that. The development team is active and working on new features and ways to improve COV all the time, and this gives me confidence that the team behind the project has a long-term vision. Plus, it's another reason to get in on COV. Back to the tokenomics and scarcity, they've added token burning to reduce supply. Take a look here. More than 500,000 tokens have already been burned using profits from the covesting module. You should also check out the Telegram chat. There's a friendly community of traders there, just like you, willing to help out and chat about what's happening in the markets. I foresee all of these features I mentioned converging to boost the price when everything kicks in. The team, the real-world utility, and the community make this one of the more promising projects out there. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Until the next one, see you again.